Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you an Instagram trick on how you can delete an Instagram story before it finishes uploading. So let's say that you make a mistake uploading a story and you want to cancel or delete the Instagram story before it finishes uploading. So here what you guys can do is this. So I'm going to, let's say, upload a story. Okay, for example, I want to upload this videos right here to my story. So I'm going to click on your story in here. So when it's uploading like this, you need to go to your mobile data here, the menu, and click on airplane mode. Then you can just click on your story and see if it's finished uploading or not. So I'm on the airplane mode right now on my phone. So after I enable the airplane mode, the story couldn't be uploaded. So instead of click on retry here, you need to click on these three dots icon below the story here, and then click on delete. Okay, just like that, your Instagram story will be deleted before it finishes uploading. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.